In this video, I'll show you how you can check how old your League of Legends account is. So first, what you can try is you can go to your collections and come to skins. And from in here, you can check when you acquired your skins. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see I have acquired some in 2019. And I know for a fact that this account is from 2019. Now, if you have a much older account, like let's say 2015, and maybe you didn't buy a skin, obviously you cannot see it in here. But most people bought a skin or anything from when they had the account. Now, a second way you can check it is you can go to your mail, search for Riot Games, and then sort it by the date. And then you can find when they send you your confirmation for making the account. So if you made the account in 2015, they would have sent you an email in 2015 confirming your account. Now the last option is you can head over to the Riot Games and submit a request. You can submit a request to know how old your account is. Just keep in mind that this can take a long time because Riot is really busy and sometimes it can take even weeks for your request to be handled. So those are 3 ways that you can potentially check how old your account is, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.